Muscles are the engine of movement. They are found throughout your body, constituting a significant portion of your body weight. Think of your muscles as elastic tissues made up of fibers. These fibers contract and relax, enabling a wide range of motions. Muscles are not working alone, they are connected to bones by tendons. This connection is crucial because it allows the force generated by your muscles to be transferred to your bones. This interaction is what makes it possible for you to move, lift, and perform various physical activities. Muscles are categorized into three primary types: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles, as their name implies, are attached to the skeleton and are responsible for voluntary movements. Smooth muscles are found in the walls of internal organs, controlling involuntary actions. Cardiac muscle is specific to the heart, ensuring its continuous beating. Each muscle type plays a distinct role, contributing to the body's overall function. Muscle movement is a fascinating orchestration between your brain and your body. It all begins with a signal originating in the brain. This signal, carrying the instruction to move, is transmitted through specialized nerve cells called motor neurons. These motor neurons act as messengers, relaying the command from the brain to the targeted muscle fibers. Upon receiving the signal, the muscle fibers contract. This contraction generates the force necessary to pull on the attached bones, leading to movement. The more force is required, the more motor units are activated. A motor unit comprises a single motor neuron and the muscle fibers it innervates. So, when you lift a heavy object, your brain recruits a larger number of motor units to generate the necessary power. Muscle growth, scientifically known as hypertrophy, occurs when muscle fibers increase in size. This process is stimulated by various factors, with exercise, particularly resistance training, being a primary driver. During exercise, especially weightlifting, your muscle fibers experience microscopic damage. This might sound alarming, but it's a natural part of the muscle building process. Think of it as creating tiny tears in the muscle tissue. These micro tears trigger an inflammatory response, which is your body's way of initiating repair. Cytokines, which are signaling molecules, are released at the site of damage, attracting immune cells to the area. These immune cells play a crucial role in repairing the damaged muscle fibers, making them stronger and larger than before. Over time, this cycle of damage and repair leads to noticeable increases in muscle size and strength. Section 4. Fueling the growth factors influencing muscle size. While exercise is the spark that ignites muscle growth, several other factors play a crucial role in maximizing the process. One of the most important is progressive overload. This principle emphasizes the need to consistently challenge your muscles by gradually increasing the weight, resistance, or intensity of your workouts. Another crucial factor is nutrition. Consuming an adequate amount of protein is essential, as protein provides the building blocks, amino acids, necessary for muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates are also important as they provide energy for your workouts and help replenish muscle glycogen stores. Don't overlook the importance of rest. Muscle repair and growth primarily occur during rest, especially sleep. Getting enough sleep allows your body to recover and rebuild muscle tissue effectively. Section 5. Muscle loss. The perils of inactivity. Just as regular exercise stimulates muscle growth, a lack of physical activity can lead to muscle atrophy. Muscle atrophy is the opposite of hypertrophy. It involves a decrease in muscle fiber size and consequently, a reduction in muscle mass and strength. This can occur due to various factors including injury, immobilization, and a sedentary lifestyle. When muscles are not used regularly, they receive fewer signals from the brain to maintain their size and strength. As a result, the body starts breaking down muscle tissue, leading to a gradual decline in muscle mass. Maintaining an active lifestyle with regular exercise is vital to preserve muscle mass and overall health. Remember, the key to muscle growth is consistency. By incorporating regular resistance training, proper nutrition, and adequate rest, you can create an environment that promotes muscle hypertrophy.